Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of 1 plus ex with the power of 2 divided by ex dx. Okay, to solve this integral we have to first expand the term 1 plus ex with the power of 2. Okay, from algebra we know that a plus b with the power of 2 is equal to a2 plus 2ab plus b2. Okay, so in this case a is equal to 1 and b is equal to basically e with the power of x. Okay, therefore you can write this one is equal to a with the power of 2, which is 1 with the power of 2 equal to 1, plus 2 times 1, that is 2 times b, that is e with the power of x. Therefore that will be 2ex plus b2, and b is e with the power of x with the power of 2 will be equal to e with the power of 2x. Okay, so now if you substitute this expression into this integral, you will get the integral will be equal to integral of 1 plus 2ex plus e2x divided by ex dx. Okay, so now if you divide each term here by e with the power of x, you will get integral of 1 divided by ex is equal to e minus x. 2ex divided by ex, that will be equal to 2, and e2x divided by ex is equal to ex. Okay, and dx. Right, so now you can expand this integral as integral of e minus x dx plus integral of 2 dx, which 2 is constant, so I can take it out of the integral. That will be 2 dx plus integral of ex dx. Okay, and so we know that the integral of e minus x, that will be equal to minus e minus x plus integral of 2 integral of dx is equal to x, and then integral of ex is equal to ex plus c, which is the constant of the integral. Okay, if you are not sure how to obtain basically, or how to calculate the integral of e with the power of minus x, which is equal to minus e with the power of minus x, just write for me in the comment section and I can explain for you how to do that. Okay, anyway, this will be the solution of the integral. I hope you found this video helpful. Please feel free to subscribe into this channel if you are interested, so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.